First I introduce me myself. I am Najam from class 8 and I am come to tell you about kidney and its parts, its transplants, its diseases. First, kidney. Kidney is an organ which filters or cleans the blood. As you can see in the picture. Now its parts. There are 4 parts of kidney. First, cortex. The cortex is the outer part of kidney, or the outer layer of kidney is called cortex, and the function of cortex is to protect it from diseases or bacteria cell coming towards the kidney. And second, nephron. The cortex contains millions of tiny tubes called nephrons, and the structure of nephron is like a tube from which the blood passes. And now number third, Bowman's capsule. Each nephron begins with a cup-shaped structure called Bowman's capsule, and the function of Bowman's capsule is to absorb glucose or water, and the structure of Bowman's capsule is like a cup or a circle. And now number last, glomerulus. The definition of glomerulus is that the Bowman's capsule contains a bunch of capillaries called glomerulus, and the function of glomerulus is to tie the Bowman's capsule. If it is not present in the Bowman's capsule will not be able to absorb glucose or water. Now we move to its transplant. The kidney transplant. The kidney transplant involves removing of a diseased kidney from a patient and replacing with a healthy kidney donated by a relative or an identical twin. Of all the organs transplant, the kidney transplant is most successful one. And now its diseases. Diseases of kidney. The kidney cannot work without water. You must drink 6 to 8 glasses of water a day to remain healthy. There are several diseases which can affect on kidneys. Certain infections can cause swelling of kidneys, obstruction of urine flow, and reduction of blood into the kidneys. These disorders can cause kidneys to fail. When this happens, the dangerous level of urea and waste materials can accumulate in the blood, and this can lead to death. Thank you.